Time for something a little different.
All right, what can I get for you?
What do you have? A spicy mango drink?
Sorry, what was that?
A spicy mango drink or something like that?
Spicy mango splash?
Yes.
Alright.
So it's called Spicy Mango Splash?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Is that everything?
Yes, it is. Thanks.
Alright, that will be 282 at the second window.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
You too. $2.82. So it's cheap enough to try. Right? Thank you very much. You have a good day. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. So I just slid by McDonald's and I picked up as they call, I'm just going to go off what the web says, a spicy mango fruit splash, or as they call it, a spicy mango splash. It's a little confusing. It says a refreshing lemonade beverage. I thought it was mango, but a refreshing lemonade beverage made with real lemon juice concentrate and real lemon pulp with a sweet and spicy taste. Okay. I'm willing to try anything. As I told you, the price, and it's cheap. So, you lose points for the stupid cardboard straw, McDonald's. Anyway, let's see what this tastes like. There it is. Okay. It does smell, okay. It does smell a little mango-y, which is weird. Okay, let's give this a try and see what I think. I don't like that at all. So, when you first taste it, it's kind of sweet and refreshing, like in your mouth. And then you get this kind of weird tasting burn in your throat. Boy, I'm glad this wasn't expensive because, yeah. Okay. That's disgusting. I don't like that at all. The aftertaste and that burny sensation, I think I'm going to go back and get myself a coffee. McDonald's, this spicy mango splash thing. Guys, if you tried it, let me know what you think because I don't like it. My review is 2 thumbs down. Totally 2 thumbs down. Did not like that. Yuck. Anyway, guys, I gotta get a coffee to wash this out of my mouth. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.